If you've been trying to use a Cashapp promo code and it keeps saying it's not working, invalid, or already used, it can feel pretty frustrating, especially when you see other people online claiming they're getting bonuses or rewards just by entering a simple code. But the truth is, in 2026, Cashapp promo codes are not as simple as they used to be, and there are a lot of hidden reasons why yours might not be working, even if you think you're doing everything correctly. Before anything else, you need to understand that most Cashapp promo codes you see online are either expired, region locked, or simply not valid anymore. Cashapp doesn't run unlimited public promotions all the time. Instead, they release promo codes in short bursts, often tied to specific campaigns or referral systems. That means a code that works last week might already be dead today, even if it still appears on websites or social media posts. Now, one of the biggest reasons your Cashapp promo code is not working is because of eligibility restrictions. Cashapp is very strict about who qualifies for promotions. In most cases, promo codes are designed only for new users. So if you've already created a Cashapp account before, even if you've never used a promo code, the system will still classify you as ineligible. This is something a lot of people don't realize, and it leads them to keep trying different codes without understanding why none of them work. Another common issue comes down to region and account setup. Some Cashapp promotions are only available in certain countries or even certain states within the United States. So if a promo code was designed for a specific audience and your account doesn't match that requirement, it will instantly fail. Cashapp doesn't always tell you this clearly, it just rejects the code silently or shows a generic error message that doesn't explain much. Now let's talk about something very simple but surprisingly common, and that is input errors. Even though it sounds basic, many people accidentally type promo codes incorrectly. It could be something like adding a space before or after the code, mixing up capital letters, or confusing similar characters, like the letter O and the number 0. Cashapp's system is extremely strict, so even a small mistake like that will make the code invalid. But here's something most people completely overlook. In many cases, the problem is not even the code itself or your account, but the fact that Cashapp has changed how promotions work. Over the past few years, they've moved away from traditional promo codes and shifted more toward referral-based rewards. That means instead of searching random codes online, most real bonuses now come from inviting friends or being invited through official referral links inside the app. So if you're trying codes from random websites, there's a high chance they simply aren't part of the current system anymore. Another reason your promo code might not be working is app-related issues. If your Cashapp version is outdated, certain features may not function properly. The promo system might not even load correctly, which can cause valid codes to fail. Many users don't think about updating their app, but this alone can fix a lot of hidden problems instantly. On top of that, your internet connection can also affect whether a promo code works or not. Cashapp needs to verify codes in real time through its servers. If your connection is weak, unstable, or drops during that verification process, the code might fail without a clear explanation. Sometimes switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or restarting your connection can immediately solve the issue. There's also the possibility of cache data interfering with the app. Over time, Cashapp stores temporary files that help it run faster, but sometimes those files become outdated or corrupted. When that happens, certain features like promo code redemption can start behaving unpredictably. In many cases, simply clearing the cache or reinstalling the app refreshes everything and fixes the issue without any extra effort. Now here's something a lot of people don't realize until they've already tried everything. Some Cashapp promo rewards are not instant. Even if the code is valid and accepted, the reward might only appear after you complete certain actions, like sending money, linking a debit card, or maintaining account activity for a short period. So it may look like the code didn't work, when in reality, it's just waiting for you to complete the required steps before activating the reward. There are also situations where your account itself may have restrictions without you even realizing it. Cashapp has internal security systems that monitor activity. If they detect unusual behavior, repeated failed attempts, or anything that looks suspicious, they may quietly restrict promotional features on your account. In these cases, promo codes will stop working altogether, even if everything else seems fine. So if you're stuck in a situation where every promo code you try fails, the smartest thing to do is stop guessing and go through a proper checklist. First, make sure the code is actually valid and not expired. This alone eliminates most of the fake or outdated codes floating around online. Second, confirm whether the code is meant for new users only, because that is one of the biggest restrictions people miss. Third, check your location and make sure the promotion is actually available in your region. After that, look at your app. Make sure Cashapp is updated to the latest version, because older versions often have bugs that affect features like this. Then restart the app completely so it refreshes its connection to the servers. If it still doesn't work, try switching your internet connection or restarting your device. These small steps fix more issues than most people expect. If nothing works after all of that, then reinstalling Cashapp is usually the final step. It clears out hidden files, resets the app environment, and often restores missing functionality. At the end of the day, most Cashapp promo code problems are not actually broken features. They are usually caused by expired promotions, strict eligibility rules, or small technical issues that stack together. Once you understand how Cashapp controls promotions in 2026, it becomes much easier to see why certain codes work for some people and not for others. And one last important thing to keep in mind is that there is no secret hack or trick that forces Cashapp promo codes to work if you are not eligible. The system is fully controlled on their back end, which means everything depends on your account status, the validity of the code, and the conditions of the promotion itself. So instead of wasting time trying random codes over and over, the real solution is understanding the system, checking the requirements properly, and making sure your app and account are fully ready before applying any promo. Once all of that lines up correctly, Cashapp promo codes usually work without any issues, and you avoid the frustration of constant errors or failed attempts. And if you're wondering whether there's a hidden trick or secret method to force promo codes to work, the truth is, there isn't. Cashapp controls everything from their back end, so if you don't meet the conditions, no amount of retrying will override the system. The real solution is always simple. Make sure the code is valid, make sure you are eligible, make sure your app is updated, and make sure your connection and device are working properly. Once all of that is aligned, most promo code issues disappear instantly, and Cashapp starts working exactly as expected again.